The Flat Belly Fix is a unique system designed to blast away stubborn belly fat in as little as 21 days. Now, I know it likely sounds like just another gimmicky fitness plan that promises to provide results, but don't be mistaken, the Flat Belly Fix is the exception and actually works. The Flat Belly Fix is one of the easiest programs because it doesn't require you to spend hours on end working on your health and fitness, yet it still focuses on exercise and healthy eating. But what is the Flat Belly Fix program about? The Flat Belly Fix is an exceptionally affordable program, especially considering that it provides you with nutritional information, exercise instructions, and smoothie recipes. The foundation of this unique health and fitness approach stems from ancient ingredients that were used back in time to maintain optimal health and strength. No, I'm not talking about some weird voodoo spell, pill or potion. These ingredients can be found at your local grocery store, which everyone can find. But not everyone knows how to make the exact tea needed for easy weight loss to happen. The program not only teaches you the power that such ingredients bring into your life, health and fitness, but it also provides you with the easiest way to enjoy them, in smoothies. The smoothie recipes provided put the information you learn throughout the main portion of the program in the blender, making it easy for you to finally reap the benefits. This program is super easy to follow, and will focus on 3 different results-boosting techniques. It starts with the 21-day system. You learn everything there is to know about your health, nutrition, fitness, and how this program caters to that. For example, you learn everything from nutrition to human anatomy, eating schedules, triglycerides, proportions, insulin, and much more. Then you learn the 7-minute flat belly protocol that will catapult your results to the next level. Considering they only take 7 minutes to complete, this really isn't difficult to do at all, but don't be mistaken, you'll certainly feel the burn. And the last amazing bonus of this program is the smoothie guide. This section of the program provides you with detailed instructions on how to get proper nutrition, including the ancient ingredients taught to you in the first guide, into your diet, and in a way that is enjoyable. So is this product worth it? Yes. Especially if life is busy and have tried tons of other diets and had no success. The Flat Belly Fix is incredibly easy to follow through. You only need 7 minutes a day to complete the exercise regime and a couple more to make the smoothies. The only thing that is hard is fighting through that intense burn you feel as you execute the short but quick movements, the same burn that melts away stubborn belly fat. If you're still concerned as to whether the exercise regime is for you, who doesn't have 7 minutes a day, or are a picky eater and not sure you'll like the smoothies, trust me, you will. There is a 60-day money-back guarantee that you can take advantage of. And to us that is a winning product.